If you have not subscribed to my channel yet, click on the subscribe button below and tap on this bell icon to get notified whenever a new episode is out. And also subscribe to my Hindi channel. The link will be in the description below. Welcome to the CHAPPAN BHOG series of Chef Lall's kitchen, where I will be making more than 100 holy food of Lord Jagannath, also known as Mahaprasad. And today we're gonna be making Ghiudi. So let's get started. So the ingredients we need are about quarter cup of wheat flour or atta, quarter cup of grated coconut, 4 tablespoons of clarified butter or ghee, a quarter cup of jaggery or gur. Then take some cloves and 1 black cardamom and make a powder of it, from which we need about half a teaspoon of that, and quarter teaspoon of salt. Now take about 4 cups of milk in a pan and set the flame on high and bring that to boil first. Then after that, reduce the flame to medium, and to the milk add about 2 teaspoons of lemon juice and wait for a couple of minutes. What that will do, it will make chena or cottage cheese. So in a couple of minutes you will see something like this. So at this stage, switch off the flame and take a bowl along with a cotton cloth. Place it on top of the bowl and if possible tie it or make some knots. Then gently pour the cottage cheese or chena on top of it. So the cloth will collect it and the water will go down into the bowl, which we don't need. So once you get all the chena, slowly pour some water on top of it to get rid of the sour lemon flavor. Now take about half a cup of chena in a bowl and to that add all the grated coconut, all the atta, salt and half of the ghee. Then combine these real well, and we need to knead this for roughly about 4-5 minutes to make a soft dough. Then let it rest for at least 15 minutes. Then after that, take a small portion like this and shape it like a ball. That's it. And now we will fry these. So for that, take lots of ghee or oil in a pan and set the flame on medium. Now once the oil is hot, add them one by one. And we need to fry these until they are done and golden in color. Then in another pan, take the rest of the ghee followed by all the gur along with 1 tablespoon of water and wait till all the gur dissolves. Then let it boil for roughly about a couple of minutes until you see large bubbles, and then add all the fried balls and coat them really well. And that's it, one of the Mahaprasad Ghiudi. So do try this at home and say your experience in the comment section below. If you have not subscribed to my channel yet, click on the subscribe button below and tap on this bell icon to get notified whenever a new episode is out. And also subscribe to my Hindi channel. The link will be in the description below.